back in the garage as usual on every Sunday. So we left off last time with
defeat
again. The Conquest wasn't cranking right, and lots of smoke from, I guess, the starter area. So today we're gonna look over a few things, check the timing, make sure it's right, and try again. Because if at first you don't succeed, just move on. Move on to something else. I also did I got this guy to replace the leaky plugs that we made. A piece of hose and a bolt in it and a hose clamp. But yeah. So we're gonna check over some grounds, make sure the starter's grounded good, take the valve cover off, check the timing on the distributor. Probably gonna check the rotor button too, because that's supposed to be turned a certain way.
Well, if the notches line up at the end of it, then the rotor should, because it can only go one way.
Yeah, alright. Well, that answers that. Yeah, so we're gonna dive right in. Hopefully this old guy will be idling today, so I can start breaking the motor in and take Lucas to school. I'm sure they would love that at the drop-off line. Open down pipe and all.
That'd be awesome. Sir, please don't come back here. What's going on down there?
It's getting hot.
What are you doing? Hello. You can't even see me. Oh, I can't see you. It sounds like serious work is going on down there.
Yeah, if you want to call it that. So as usual, problems arise. Well, there was a ground underneath that wasn't hooked up, but when I was hooking it up, the connection broke. So we have to find a way to make an eye for it so we can thread the bolt on and thread it inside the block. But we did get the S hose on. Now we're just fighting with this ground, and then after that's done, I'm gonna check the timing and see if we can start it up. Alright, got the ground figured out temporarily. So what we're doing right now is we're turning the motor over by hand to see if we can get the plated link on the timing chain and the dowel pin on the cam gear in the right spots to make sure the timing is correct. Very exciting stuff. So once we get this situated, then we're gonna try and fire it up. I have a feeling we're gonna be turning this forever.
Come on.
Not even close.
To what?
Anything.
Okay.
Keep pumping. Feel the burn.
Oh, I feel it. Switch arms.
really paying attention that much. I'm just kidding.
Appreciate that.
Let me know if you want to switch.
How many more times we got to turn this?
I have no idea. Like 60?
60?
Really? Yeah, we're gonna have to be turning this for a while.
See if you can bump it with the starter.
Yeah, I have to disconnect the fuel and the spark. Right? And then burn up my starter even more.
Yeah.
I think we might be almost there. Maybe the next go around. Let me do it.
Sure.
Tag.
Yeah.
Alright, instead of killing ourselves, we've decided to take the spark plugs out and disconnect the injectors, and we're going to turn it over. What? A little rich, huh?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we're taking out the spark plugs, disconnected the fuel injectors, and we're gonna try and turn it with the key because both of our arms are tired. And yeah, it'll probably take a year for us to get those lined up again. Definitely rich. What are your feelings about that?
That'll work. Save our arms.
No, I meant it being that rich.
Um,
I don't even know what the fuel pressure is set at on the regulator or anything like that.
your ignition was firing.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it ran. Well, it started. All right. So let's hook the battery up and see what happens. Probably catch something on fire again. What do you think?
We didn't cut anything on fire yet.
I don't know. It started smoking. It's close enough for me. What was that?
The ratchet.
going?
Yeah, I don't even see anything. Okay, stop. Just bump it. Okay, keep going. Keep going. We got a link coming up. Go. A little bit. A little bit. Oh. See, it's the same thing. Link's down at the bottom, and that dowel pin in the cam gear is off to the side.
You going? Alright, well, defeated once again by the G54. Somehow, I'm gonna have to go back and watch our other videos of us lining up the chain and everything, but somehow the cam gear is off a tooth from the plated link on the chain. Don't know how that happened, because I'm almost positive we had everything lined up.
I felt like we double and triple checked it.
Yeah.
But the tape was out.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go roll the tape back and see if we actually did line everything up. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today, unfortunately. Another exciting, fun-filled
Chapter in episode G-Pop.
Yeah.
Hey, you. I'm talking to you. You need a hat? Need a shirt?
This one's not on there anymore.
Need a sticker? Go to sandrmotoring.com and get something. All of it. None of it. Or one of it.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're only 16 away from 1,000. And we would greatly appreciate your subscription. We will give you a handshake if we ever see you. And if you're in the market for quality wood grain handmade shift knobs, my brother actually makes these, so if you would like one, just hit us up and I'll put you in contact with him. I don't know how well that showed up on camera, but it is top notch.
And I'm sure he'll make them in super flavor too, if asked.
Yeah, if 5-speed only, obviously, because automatics you have to have a button.
Yeah, I can't rock one. I would, but I got the slush box.
So yeah,
Actually, no, they do sell adapters for it.
do they?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
I'm
like
sure you can figure out something.
It's a collar you put on there. So then, like, you push the whole shift knob down and pull it back.
Oh,
And it comes back up.
it seems like a lot of work, though.
It looks goofy, too, because it's so There you go. Rat pink.
Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today. It's after 8:30, so we gotta stop.
Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
The podcast is up right now as we speak. So go check it out on your favorite podcast apps.
I'll put a link in the description for the Anchor website to listen to it on there, as I do every week.
Sure, sounds good. All right, thanks for watching.
See ya. I'm not doing it. I'm not, because I don't feel like it.
Okay. Keep on motoring.